channel. Following topics we covers in this video: Introduction, Setting the stage. Week 1, Unveiling the authentic self. Week 2, Cultivating inner strength. Week 3, Connecting with others. Welcome, beautiful souls, to a journey that promises to reshape your 2024 narrative. Today, we set sail on a unique adventure, a faceless yet profound glow-up sprint, a 30-day voyage dedicated to uncovering the brilliance within each of us. In this month-long exploration, we won't focus on external appearances. Instead, we'll delve deep into the essence of our being. It's about discovering the radiant glow that emanates from the core of our hearts and souls. This isn't just a quest for physical transformation. It's a commitment to progress, embracing the beautiful imperfections that make us human. So, why a faceless journey? Because in this space, appearance takes a back seat, allowing us to connect on a more profound level. It's a celebration of our shared humanity, transcending the limitations of mere visuals. As we embark on this adventure together, let's remember that true brilliance goes beyond what meets the eye. It's about the authenticity and uniqueness each of us brings to the table. Get ready to redefine your experience in 2024, not through the lens of societal expectations, but through the lens of your own authenticity. This is a journey of self-discovery, self-love, and self-expression. Buckle up, and let's navigate the next 30 days towards our most radiant selves. The adventure begins now. Now let's move into the core of our glow-up sprint by first understanding what it truly means to glow from within. Brilliance, in its essence, goes beyond the surface. It's not merely about physical appearance, but rather the luminosity that emanates from the depths of your heart and soul. Imagine a light that shines from within, a radiance that reflects your authenticity, kindness, and the unique energy you bring into the world. That's the brilliance we're seeking to uncover and amplify in the next 30 days. Speaking of the next 30 days, this time frame offers a remarkable opportunity. It's a chance to rewrite the narratives we've been living and to embrace a version of ourselves that aligns with authenticity. The glow-up sprint is not a pursuit of perfection. It's a commitment to progress. It's about acknowledging our flaws, celebrating our strengths, and most importantly, embracing the humanity that connects us all. As we venture forward, let's remember that every step taken in the next month is a step towards a more authentic and radiant self. This journey is about self-discovery, self-acceptance, and the beautiful imperfections that make us uniquely human. Are you ready to redefine your narrative and embrace the brilliance within? The adventure continues. As we step into week 1 of our glow-up sprint, our focus turns to unveiling the authentic self. Let's begin by shedding the masks we wear daily. Instead of concealing imperfections, let's embrace them as the brushstrokes of our unique masterpiece. In our pursuit of brilliance, we recognize that authenticity is the key to unlocking our inner glow. This week is an exploration of the beauty found in vulnerability. We'll delve into the richness of being genuine, understanding that our true selves are more captivating than any facade we may present. It's a journey towards self-acceptance, where imperfections become a source of strength rather than a cause for concern. To further enhance this journey, we'll introduce mindful practices that lay the foundation for our glow-up sprint. These daily rituals are designed to nurture the mind and soul, creating a profound connection to the present moment. From meditation to gratitude exercises, each practice is a step towards cultivating inner peace and self-awareness. In week 2 of our glow-up sprint, our focus shifts towards cultivating inner strength. We begin by exploring the transformative power of positive affirmations. These are more than just words. They are the seeds we plant in the fertile soil of our minds. By crafting personalized affirmations, we reinforce self-love and resilience, creating a powerful foundation for the weeks ahead. Our journey towards brilliance extends beyond the mind, encompassing our physical well-being. This week, we introduce healthy habits that contribute to both mental and physical vitality. Small, sustainable changes in our lifestyle, from nourishing meals to daily movement, become the building blocks of self-care. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but about making choices that align with your well-being. As we navigate week 2, let's celebrate the strength that resides within us. Positive affirmations will be our daily companions, and healthy habits will be the vehicles that carry us towards a more resilient and vibrant version of ourselves. Get ready to nurture your inner strength and radiate positivity from the inside out. The adventure continues with a renewed focus on self-love and holistic well-being. As we step into week 3 of our Glow Up Sprint, the focus shifts from individual growth to the beauty of connections. True brilliance extends beyond ourselves. It's woven into the tapestry of our relationships. This week, we explore the profound impact of empathy and understanding. Through small acts of kindness and deep conversations, we uncover the transformative power of human connection. It's in these shared moments of vulnerability and compassion that our inner brilliance is reflected. As we open ourselves to the experiences of others, we not only enrich their lives but also deepen our understanding of the world around us. Collaborative Growth Week 3 invites us to engage in activities that foster collaboration and shared growth. Together, we amplify our collective brilliance. Whether through group activities, discussions, or collaborative projects, the bonds we form become catalysts for both individual and communal transformation. In this week of connection, let's celebrate the beauty of shared experiences and the strength found in unity. As we contribute to each other's growth, we become threads in the intricate tapestry of brilliance that we're collectively weaving. We'll get ready for a week of empathy, connection, and collaborative brilliance. The adventure unfolds as we embrace the transformative power of shared humanity. As we approach the final week of our Glow Up Sprint, the spotlight turns to creative self-expression. This week is an invitation to unleash your inner artist, whether through writing, painting, or any form of self-expression that resonates with your soul. It's time to celebrate the unique light you bring to the world and recognize the importance of sharing it without inhibition. This isn't about creating a masterpiece. It's about tapping into the wellspring of creativity within you. Through self-expression, we transcend the boundaries of words and images, revealing the essence of our brilliance. So pick up that pen, brush, or any tool that calls to you, and let your inner artist paint the canvas of your final week. As our Glow Up Sprint gracefully concludes, it's crucial to take a moment to reflect on the lessons learned and the growth experienced. This isn't just an endpoint. It's a checkpoint in the ongoing journey towards brilliance. Recognize that each step forward, no matter how small, is a triumph worth celebrating. Reflect on the transformations, both internal and external, and acknowledge the resilience and authenticity you've cultivated. As we bid farewell to this month-long adventure, remember that the journey towards brilliance is a continuous spiral of self-discovery and self-embrace. The final moments of our Glow Up Sprint, celebrating the unique light that is you. The adventure concludes, but the brilliance within you is boundless. Congratulations on completing the Glow Up Sprint. This marks the end of a transformative journey, but remember, brilliance is not a destination. It's a continuous, evolving journey. Take a moment to acknowledge the authenticity and resilience you've discovered within yourself. Embrace your uniqueness, understanding that your light is a beacon that shines in 2024 and beyond. As we close this chapter, recognize that the brilliance you've uncovered is not confined to these 30 days. It's a part of your essence. Carry it with you, let it guide your choices, and radiate it in all that you do. This journey has been about more than just external changes. It's about nurturing the internal glow that makes you truly luminous. Now, it's time to share. In the comments, reflect on your experiences and insights from the Glow Up Sprint. Let's create a space for shared stories, support, and encouragement. Your journey might inspire someone else on their path towards brilliance. If you resonated with the faceless yet deeply human content of this Glow Up Sprint, consider subscribing. Join our community for more inspiring and uplifting content that transcends the visual and connects with the humanity within us. Together, let's continue this journey towards brilliance, supporting each other every step of the way. Thank you for being a part of this transformative adventure. Until next time, keep shining your light.